What we're doing today?
So today, we don't know yet. We're gonna thinking of an idea.
We're gonna go in the Lambo. So, all we need, dog.
What's up, guys?
We're not loud, but this is. What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What's up, guys? Nah.
That's dead.
What's up, guys?
What it is, people? How you doing?
Catch up with you guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go.
Alright, bro. Where we going?
Right now, to find something to eat. So we'll update you guys in a bit.
Bro, why we just sitting here, though? Bro, why we just? I don't know what to eat. We just, I don't know. We see Jack in the Box.
Cause I ate fast food this whole week.
Can you see it?
We got options. There's Jason Zelly. There's Jack in the Box. There's King's.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Where we going?
We're going to
Gotta beat that up. 2 hours later, we just arrived at Chick. There it is.
We can put that trans.
Number one, fries.
Can I get a number one?
Smelling good.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Say what's up to the vlog, guys. We vloggers.
Oh, where's the Walmart?
Oh, San Francisco calling me. Business costs. Business costs. Put up to Walmart. You already know.
Boy, cripple.
V8. We in Walmart. Watermelon. We out here vlogging. Vlogging out here. We're about to go. We're about to go down.
Oh, let's go to
Where?
the mic.
Mike, check 1, 2, 3. We're going to the mics right now.
Speed up on it.
Heck no, that's it. That's it. Freaking V8. Hey.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Basically, has a call line. Basically.
So we're looking for a mic right now.
Looking for mics right now. But I don't think they're over here on this side. They're not on this.
Let's go. Damn.
First time trying to fidget spinner.
Rush. Damn. This spins for a long time. These are the cheap ones.
Hey. Bro, you wanna
Oh,
get
yeah, it looks already stopped. See? It feels weird, like it's moving.
No, yeah, that's how it's supposed to feel.
For real?
Yeah. This one, try this one.
Great for
How does it feel? Trying to fidget spinner.
feels addicting.
I know, dog. Like, you just.
Alright guys, so we couldn't find freaking mic, so we already tried. Where did we go? The first one?
Best Buy. We tried Best Buy.
We went to Best Buy, we couldn't find one.
No.
Then we went to Walmart, we couldn't find one. So now we're going to Target, see if we can find one. So yeah, we'll update you guys if we find. Alright, peace.
Little update, guys. We just went to Target and looks like they didn't have the mic, so I don't know what we're gonna do now.
We need the mic.
Yeah, we need the mic because. Hey.
Alright guys, another quick update. We're at Radio Shack.
Right in front of our guys, right?
And they're actually doing like a close-in store deal and stuff, and so they only had a few things and they didn't have the mic that we need, So what I think about doing is just ordering on Amazon for $99 or whatever it costs.
Yeah.
And then just waiting a few days and then make another good video for you guys. Alright. Then right now we're gonna head to his house.
Head to my house and then I don't know, probably shoot some more. Maybe go to the park, we don't know yet.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see you guys in his house. Alright, peace.
Just got to the house, guys. Just came back from Radio Shack. Oh. Just got say what's up to the vlog.
You find a job rotation vlog?
What y'all cook?
Nothing. But you want to get something to eat.
Huh? Over there, Lex. You ugly.
What's that?
Oh, that's my Chick-fil-A. Nice.
So that's the end of the vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, drop a like if you guys did enjoy. Thanks.
We're gonna be uploading vlogs, reacting videos, and I mean whatever y'all suggest down in the comments.
Yeah, just comment down below.
Subscribe to us, and we'll be coming back for more.
Yeah, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, bro. Let's go.
Got me